though, a lot of people don't like to read. You know what I'm saying? A lot of motherfuckers don't know how to read. And if they know how to read, they don't know how to comprehend. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing about it. You can't just, anybody who know how to read, they can just scan the book and just read the words, you know what I'm saying? But you got to be able to comprehend what you're saying, what's being read, and be able to digest the information. Once you digest the information and gain the knowledge from it, and you can use it, and then it becomes applied knowledge. Applied knowledge, is the basis of any success. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take that knowledge and put it to work. And that's where the success come from.
Something y'all do. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this thing. Searching for fortune.
Hey, what's good, people? Back with another video. So it's about that time. Let you know what's on my mind. Check this out, man. Just want to talk to you about the importance of information and knowledge, gaining information and knowledge, and primarily gaining that information and knowledge through reading, man. I just came back from another estate sale. I like to go to estate sales, and purchase things, stuff to flip, just all kind of stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? And usually, man, these estate sales are from people who have who are the affluent people, people, in other words, people with money, you know what I'm saying? And one thing that I peep about going to these estate sales, man, in these big ass houses with all this luxury shit and, just unnecessary, just beautification of shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, matter of fact, man, off the top real quick, the last one I went to before today, this motherfucker had a pool inside the house. Like, you walk in the living room first, and then a room with a fucking pool, and not no little pool, a big ass pool. You know what I'm saying? Like an outside pool inside the house. But anyway, man, what I want to say, one thing I noticed about the places, man, they always had libraries. You know what I'm saying? Big libraries. These, people, people who are wealthy and who are wealthy and who have money, who have successful businesses and do successful things in life, man. More times than not, they are, readers, man, heavy readers, man, heavy on the reading, you know what I'm saying? Massive book collections, and I noticed that they be on various topics too, man. It's usually like a specialized section to where it's, I guess that's whatever their profession may be. They have a section that's specialized. Then they have novels, and they have of course, a lot of history, Nat Geo, just all kind of stuff that you can gain knowledge from, and then have a lot of skill based things as well, you know what I'm saying? So, man, and it's important, especially for people like me, people who look like me, my people, you know what I'm saying? What that bullshit statement is, you know what I'm saying? You want to hide something from a nigga, put it in a book, you know what I'm saying? That's bullshit. It's bullshit, but it ain't bullshit, because but it ain't just black people though. A lot of people don't like to read, you know what I'm saying? A lot of motherfuckers don't know how to read, and if they know how to read, they don't know how to comprehend, you know what I'm saying? That's the thing about it. You can't just, anybody who know how to read, they can just scan the book and just read the words, you know what I'm saying? But you got to be able to comprehend what you're saying, what's being read, and be able to digest the information. Once you digest the information and gain the knowledge from it, and you can use it, and then it becomes applied knowledge. Applied knowledge, is the basis of any success. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take that knowledge and put it to work. And that's where the success come from. But I always notice that, man. They always have massive libraries, and I usually buy every fucking book in the house. You know what I'm saying? If I can, I get every book in the house. I go through, flip the ones I want to flip, keep the ones I want to keep, read for myself, and the rest I just give away, you know what I mean? Hey man, you know, but it's reading is fundamental, and reading is fun to mental. You know, ain't nothing like getting into a book, you know, and being able to just tap in, just like, you know, because for one thing, it puts you in the present moment. You know, you have to be in the present moment. It brings you to the present moment, you know, and that give you conscious awareness. You know what I'm saying? You in that moment and you reading that book at that moment, you know, and it opens up your imagination. It opens up your you know, you always pick up knowledge that you didn't know. You can always learn something, man. That's why it's so good too to read, because it's always something that you didn't know. It's always a perspective that the author may have that you may never even looked at it from. You know what I'm saying? Planning on writing a book. Eventually, I got a couple concepts. One main concept that's on my mind, and I just ain't, to be honest with you, I just been being lazy and ain't took the time to go ahead and get started. But I could go ahead and get started, man. I'm just procrastinating. I was trying to make up an excuse, but I'm just procrastinating on it. That's just the bottom line. I'm gonna get started on it. But anyway, man, just make sure you read. Make sure you always read. Pick up something to read, not no bullshit. Something that's gonna expand your mental, man. You know what I'm saying? Something that's gonna help you increase your knowledge base. You know what I'm saying? Something that's gonna help expand your mind and, you know, raise your level of awareness, raise your level of consciousness, man. You know what I'm saying? It's so much information that we seek out that people claim not to be able to know about, claim not to know, claim not to be able to learn about, man. All you gotta do is pick up a book, man. Pick up the right book, and you know, and just keep picking up books. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like you picked the wrong one, pick up another one. Read, man. You can read a book. It's possible to read a book a day if you just buckle down and do it. You know, I think they say like Warren Buffett read like 500 pages a day or some shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, read. Reading is fundamental. Reading is fun to mental. Don't hit my damn shit. Reading is fun to mental. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you always read, man. You know, that's the basis of, you know, that gain a huge knowledge base. And like I said, that knowledge base become you know, things that you can exercise in your day-to-day that can help you. You know, and even if it ain't something that you exercise in your day-to-day, it's something that you always can have in the back of your mind that you can know and that you be able to look for, and you can decipher things from it, you know what I'm saying, when you do run across it. So with that being said, man, pick up a motherfucking book. Read some shit. You know what I'm saying? Research some shit. Do some research. Do some reading. You know? Your brain will thank you later. With that being said, man, hey, stay on your grind. Don't let nobody stop you. You know, you don't need validation from nobody but the person in the mirror. Until next video, I'll get at y'all. Oh, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and all that good YouTube stuff. I got to go in this store. But I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace. Love. I'm gone.
Something we all do. One thing we die for. Nothing but pain, stuck in this thing. Searching for fortune.